Good morning and welcome to Thought for the Day on Friday, July the 10th. If you haven't yet managed to read the reading set for today, please take a moment to do that now. Today's psalm is a psalm of desperate lament. How vital it is to our very being to lament and to cry out to God. How lonely and alone the writer is here. He tells it all, doesn't he? God knows the depths that we find ourselves in. Jesus brings healing right into the apparent injustice of local society. Here was a taxman, Zacharias, whom local people despised and thought of as a cheat and a sinner to be shunned. Jesus seeks him out, is ready to risk social isolation and go to the house of a sinner and eat with him. He does this to take on the isolation and prejudice against such men, and to take on their brokenness as well. As a result of meeting Jesus, generosity pours out of Zacchaeus' heart, and he sells half of all he has and gives it to the poor. And then he says, "And if I have defrauded, I will pay back 4 times. Jesus hasn't told him or the town that he has defrauded others. He may have done, but possibly he didn't. Nevertheless, to those whom he says that he may have defrauded, he will repay 4 times as much. Jesus came to find this very little lost man and make his heart great. What joy now comes to Zacchaeus. Lord, you know the depths of my being. Please come and fill me with your Spirit. Heal me, remake me, and lead me in your light. Amen.